On today's video, we are going to be unboxing, installing, and doing a short review of the Sealight LED light bulbs. Alright, so these are the Sealight Xen Over LED kit lights. These are the X1s. I got these in 9005 and 9006 bulb type. As you can see, they have plenty of models for sale for your application. Nice compact packaging. Opening it up, we are seeing a instructions manual that provides how to installation. Very simple process. They also threw in some zip ties, and it looks like some double-sided tape, which is nice so the ballasts don't flop around. Packaged very nicely, and we got the high beams and the low beams all together in one kit. As we remove the lights from the packaging, we are actually greeted with, so we got the gloves on. I always appreciate the gloves with the lights. It's always a good practice to keep things clean and safe. And let's remove some of these lights out of the packaging and go over them. Alright, and here is the kit laid out in full. They actually go through the trouble of labeling the lights, which is very nice. You don't have to pick and choose based on the mounting surface. It looks like these bulbs do not have any kinds of fans on them. Most LED bulbs that I have seen do have some kind of fan that produce a lot of heat, so I'm curious to try these out without a fan. The good thing about these is sometimes these fans on these LED lights make a lot of noise, especially the current ones that I have on the vehicle now. In the winter time, they will create a lot of noise during the really cold temperatures, and it's super annoying. So that's for sure gonna eliminate that problem, and hopefully they keep heat down with the design here. They got 3 LED lights on each corner here, and these are 6000 Kelvin lights, so it's a nice clear bright white light. Alright, this is the light that I'm currently removing off of my high beams. It is the A6 LED light. It's done a pretty good job so far, having it for just about a year over here. The A6 does include a fan in the back. Now, comparing the A6 to the new LED light, obviously the construction is much shorter, so depending on where you are mounting it and how much room you have, this light may be beneficial because of the reduction of the fan itself. We do have a longer wiring harness, and we do have a ballast over here, and I'm assuming the ballast on the A6 is built in with the headlight assembly. So let's throw the new light on, turn it on, see how it looks like. Installation is as simple as it gets, plug and play. I am just about ready to start it up. Alright, there it is. And you can see and hear how quiet it is. And in comparison, let me just put you guys over here, and you guys can hear the fans going. So like I just mentioned, you probably heard some of that noise from the fans with from the lights that have the fans, and this one is absolutely silent. So that's one benefit of these LED lights. And the output and the clarity is just pure white. So all in all, guys, very nice kit here. Pretty affordable, plenty of models to choose from for your application. If you guys are interested, you like what you see, go ahead, check out the description below for the links and the discounts. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Catch you on the next video.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life in school they never taught ya. Dreams